Hyperhidrosis, also called excessive sweating, is a disease where people suffer because they sweat a lot more than what is normal. Even when there is no heat, the body continues to produce and emit sweat. This makes these people perspire a lot, even in situations when there is no reason to. In addition to hyperhidrosis being an inherited disease, it also has other causes, such as anxiety, heart problems, obesity, and diabetes. The only common symptom of hyperhidrosis is excessive sweating, which can appear anywhere on the body. On hands, face, neck, head, feet, or armpits. But in more severe cases, the symptoms can be weakness, dizziness, chest pain, shivering, and high fever. If hyperhidrosis is not treated in the right way, it can cause bad smell, strong skin inflammations, and infections in areas where the sweat happens. Luckily, the correct treatment can be found in the link that is in the description, just below this video. It will help you to solve your sweating problem, forever. If you liked this video, click on like below, and subscribe to the channel. Get well, and good luck.